William, did you put the water bottle in the recycling? What'd you do that for?
Baby.
Yeah, baby's on camera. Oh, you want to see the baby? There's no baby yet. We got to play that back. We'll play it back for you when we're done. I know the baby's on camera. We'll show you the pictures of the baby. Here, Will, look in the fridge. William, look in the fridge. What do we have there? What do we have in the fridge, Will? What's this? Bottle? Apple? What do we have? Oh, wine? Oh, you want, no, you're a little young for wine.
Dada.
What's that? Is that your milk? What do we have here? Bottle. That's right. That's your bottle. That's your bottle. Bottle. And what's next to that? What's this? What's that? What's this, Will? William, what's that? It's an apple. It's not a ball. It's an apple. Apple. It's like a ball. It's round like a ball, but it's an apple. Apple. Can you say apple? Apple. Do you want to eat it? Or you want to throw it like a ball? You gonna put it back in the fridge? You want your bottle? Okay, we'll put it back on the shelf. Here we go. Let's put it back on the shelf. What's this? What's that? Bottle? Is that a bottle? How about we take the cap off? There you go. Oh, you want the apple? Apple. Oh, you're gonna throw it like a ball? All right.